Let me talk to my peoples for a minute. What's up, peoples? Yeah. I'm just chilling. What's up? Y'all like that? Motherfucker. Monster Mash ENT. That's right. Hate me if you want to. Go ahead. Talk about a nigga. Cause I'm gonna talk about your bitch ass back. I don't give a fuck if I ain't selling the motherfucking record. Talk about me, bitch.
Nigga, hate me while I'm gone. Hate me while I'm there. Hate me while I blow this kush up in the fucking air. It's hatred in your blood, cause you a damn dud. Non-singing bitch, future Flint snitch. I'm never gonna forget ya. Them goonies gonna get ya. Just because I'm gone doesn't mean I can't touch ya. Fuck that damn fight, I want you slumped at the light. It'll never be the same, you could never get it right. Pussy ass nigga, you done fucked up, cuz. Man, cuz Scotty got every hood love. I'm raised off street fame, you know my name. HOODBOYZ. Won't stop till I get that meal ticket, G. Damn if I let a tall bitch nigga stop me. And Betty Joe, a club poppin' blowhead bitch. Keep my name up out your mouth. Auntie, I got one aunt, and that's Aunt P. Now do the math, G, and then you'll see. To my dying days, fuck your family. I'm like Eminem, in my own way. Was family with a bitch nigga like Jay. Straight hoe nigga, straight fruit nigga, straight bitch nigga. From the gate nigga, I used to like you nigga. I even dealt with ya, I would've killed with ya. Now don't fuck with ya. Wish jail on a nigga, what's that about? Is it because your cuz Scotty got a lot of clout? If it is nigga, then that's straight tacky. Now everybody know you a bitch nigga, even Jackie. Your own daddy know you a faggot nigga. Southside nigga, I was over there. Your daddy think you a bitch ass nigga. Nigga, you a straight clucker, they family dick sucker, and everybody know it, but Scotty bout to show it. I got the film, nigga, you in that background, that's where you stay, clown. Nutty carry that crown, you just a sucker nigga, a little fruit nigga, a JBM style biting ass bitch nigga. Get your own image, get off a nigga shit. Don't spend your whole life sucking dating dick. You a fucking clone with a student loan. Get your pussy right, then you go home. Little drag queen, tryna act mean. You like your mama, nigga, a future fiend. You ain't Cliff Bros, I smack both of y'all. Now you run around Flint tryna play hard. Tell the truth, nigga, I'm in the booth, nigga. Don't lose a tooth, nigga, or make me shoot a nigga. Fucking faggots. That was just wreck, nigga. Niggas bitches, or it gets better, nigga. I got super songs on your hoe ass. Ain't no fucking way.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck with it.